We're back, baby. So, we got this crusty yz125 tank. Whoever the kid was racing it back in the day decided he wanted to paint it black. So we're gonna see what we can get off. We got two options. We got this like heavy duty Scotch-Brite on a drill. And then we got sandpaper out the wazoo. Ranging from 80 to I think 320 we got. 400. So we're chilling. Giddy up. Alright. Got it all sanded up. Except for the bottom. I couldn't really get in there with my sander. So I'll either have to resort to a Dremel or just rough it with Scotch-Brite or something so that the plastic bonder will stick. But now, gotta take it to paint and then be rocking and rolling. Well, we had a little mishap, unfortunately. Right when the paint was still fresh, the wind just picked up and just pushed it over, and it just rolled right here. So legit. So now we gotta wait for it completely dry, sand it again, start over here. Maybe spray a little bit on the other side. I don't know, we'll see. Not bad.